1.7k was made today just by trading an inversion fair value gap. It might seem a little bit crazy, but I'm gonna go dictate and show you guys what happened today. This is probably the most obvious power 3 anyone could have seen that I missed just because I was asleep.
Mhm.
So, I mean, risk to reward, he did take longs here. I was like, alright, bro, go long, you're chilling. Don't stress, because we ran out this long. I was like, force longs, go long. So, after this, we got our market structure shift. And our best point for longs was obviously this fair value gap plus breaker block. Okay? Is this all line up with you guys? What? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, when we tap into this fair value gap, inside this breaker, so our first tap, I'd say into this fair value gap, maybe in consequent encroachment, that's where I'd be long. And my stop loss would 100% mean threshold the order block. But I was too busy snoozing off. I literally woke up and it was already 8:40 and literally price was already, what was it, right up here. So, I mean, I'll go to my trade.
Bro, my bad, bro.
You're
My bad,
good,
it's got
Rico.
bad.
What's up?
Nah, I took the meanest shit of my life, bro.
Oh, wow.
Never eating McDonald's again.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Market structure.
Oh, wait, are you screen recording? Are you like
yeah, I'm
live?
recording right now. Don't stress it.
Damn.
Sorry, say whatever you want.
Bro,
Okay.
you might have to edit that out.
No, I don't.
Nah,
care.
don't.
It's staying in there. Okay, we also have this inversion. So all this right here, this is a really good point for longs. Everything lined up. Okay, now let's move on to where we would have confirmation, because this would have been risky, but this is still a valid play. So, what I want to look for right now, after seeing this shift in market structure, not even a shift in market structure, we just ran through this low, but it might have looked like a false sell model or something to reverse because of the 3 drives. A lot of people have been anticipating a reversal. What I wanted to see was a bearish PD array disrespected. So the second I saw this, oh jeez. Oh, come on, man. Slick. Okay. So when we formed this inversion fair value gap, we displaced through it. My long was set for the top. I just went to tap back up into it. We got tapped into it. I was like, this displacement is good. We just heavily disrespected this bearish PD array. And I'm going to target out our high, which it was this high. This was our midnight high. Yeah, it was. This was our midnight high, midnight open. So this is my midnight open. 52 handles on this one long right here. And right here, I was considering adding, and I really want to add once I saw, because usually whenever we break highs, we also have a short retracement to order block anything. And this is where I was like, I should just add more. I'm really glad that I didn't. My psychology for this trade was really good. So longs all the way up, not much of risk. I can go into my Instagram because I posted this on my Insta. I'll show you that real quick. Actually, I could just show off the Mantas ICT one. But this so happened, boom. Alright, now let's go back here. This is the entry. I showed the execution and everything. But tapped into it, that was my entry. Stop loss was right around here. Tagged 1.7k. Boom. Really simple. I wish I would have alerted it a little bit earlier, but I know some people, they DM me saying thank you. So, I mean, I wasn't feeling satisfied with this trade, which is kind of an issue to me. Oh yeah, here's the trade I marked out. I just wanted to keep it in mind for the recap. And I couldn't send this in time because my phone was genuinely tweaking out. I don't know what happened here, but I was looking at my phone. I went to screenshot to see if it was even happening or if you guys could see it. This is what was happening when I was trading. Nothing, it froze and started doing this little choppy thing, just left, right. And then I don't know. Then I sent it again and this is what happened. Like, can you guys see that? It was really weird. I don't know what it was. But, I mean, yeah, it kind of made me mad. It kind of destroyed my mood because you could see it tapping right here. Everything was good. I wish I could have gotten a signal soon, but we had literally 1 minute and I was in class. I mean, if I had and my phone was tweaking out, otherwise I would have been able to give the entry sooner. And literally the second I saw the displacement, that was the only time we would have given it. Some people did force, which I don't really condone that, but I think we already knew we had to draw on liquidity in place and in mind. So that's what we were aiming for, and it got destroyed. And congrats to anyone who did take that, made money today. Nice job. My psychology, trading, everything's getting back in order. So you could expect way better plays, way more stuff to be happening. So, I mean, yeah, just be prepared for summer. When summer hits, we're all going to get funded and get payouts. I guarantee you guys.
I took that and I made money.
Nice job. I'm very proud of you, man.
That long was
Yay.
perfect.
Which one? The one down here?
Yes, bro.
Bro,
I'm just now
We
looking
had
at
the
it.
same entry. We literally had the same, like,
Everything was
the literal
perfect for
same
them.
entry.
Bro,
Hi, Streezy.
Same minute.
Hello.
today was crazy.
Oh, W Riz. Yes, boy.
Holy shit.
What's up?
No, the long, bro.
Yeah, we could have logged and just held to what was our first
Yeah,
celebration for
that's
this.
what I'm doing.
This is something
Bro,
that I'm not really able to do.
128
in school.
handles. Yeah, I'm not doing that.
I would genuinely hold this out, especially after all this confirmation. This is just so clear of a power of 3. This is just such a model day, especially on a Wednesday. That was perfect. We also had red folder at
I'd
1.
have it to discount.
Really?
I would, yeah. Like, just to play safe, like,
I
low
would
hanging
have really,
fruit.
when I saw the
I'd
power of
just
3
play-
instead of a market maker buy model, what else would I do, bro? This is just perfect. Look at what
And
we
we had
traced into.
equal highs in the back, at the highs.
That's right.
We had equal highs.
Good job, you guys are learning. Very good job. See what we got on the 4-hour. We didn't really tap into too much PD arrays. We did fully fill this 4-hour fair value gap. This is where we're starting to chop around. But let's remove this. Is this even a line or is this a genuine candle? Hold up. It is. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be really good. Valid said he's bearish. I'm pretty bullish. I mean, let's see it in the morning. I'll give you guys like full analysis. I'm just saying I'm bearish or bullish just to inverse him. Because he said he was bearish for today, but you could obviously see what happened. He was wrong and I was right. That's what happened.
That's so funny.
Okay, I mean, that's all we really have. I didn't really take anything. Oh yeah, another thing I need to tell you guys. In the middle of a range in the equilibrium is where price just chops around. So if we have a really good move in the AM, close the charts, get off. Do not get back on the charts. Trust me. Please do this one thing. When we return to equilibrium like this is guaranteed you will blow your account. So just stay off the charts. Please do not force anything. Just take your one trade, take your heavy win, 1.7k, however much you guys made, and just walk. Because when we return to equilibrium, do you guys know what equilibrium means? Price is in harmony. It just wants to chop around this line for the rest of the day. If you would have traded this, you would have died. That's what would have happened. It would have been a chain butterfly reaction of you just spiraling out of control and crashing out. So, I mean, this would have been kind of valid if we were inside of OTE, which I can check out. But otherwise, I just want you guys to have good psychology, because realizing when your psychology is flawed, that is where you grow the most. Okay, yeah, this was really good. This was a really good short.
Yeah.
Yeah, but still, we would have been targeting external. We failed to take external liquidity. We would have only been able to take out internal. And internal from the soup, like entry, I mean, I could look for an internal entry off of this real quick. Because all I really want to see is retracement. Here's our breaker. We retraced into our breaker, so yeah, this would have been a valid entry right here. So anyone who would have wanted to go short, you could have gone short off this breaker. And remember what I said in my last video about my stop losses off a trade? We had a trade almost exactly like this in our previous video. Properly. Hello, I could pull it up real quick. It was that one short I was talking about. Of course, it didn't really right here. See? Hold up.
Yeah.
Yeah. See? What is this? This is almost the exact same trade, right?
Yeah.
That's right. So entry off the breaker. I would want my stop a little bit above consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. This is not what ICT said, but this is where I'd want my stop to be. 7.5 handle stop, and of course we would have been targeting internal range liquidity. Only 27 handles though. Would you really want to risk that for 27 handles?
No. You could have possibly went long.
I mean, it's a 1 to 3, but gone long like
All
right
the way
down here.
no, all the way to the left.
Right here?
Not all the way, sorry, in the middle.
Oh, are you talking about like right down here?
Like, right there at that long wick. No, to the right.
Really?
Yeah, no, actually, it is right there. It is right there.
I'm
Yeah,
just trying to go
right
over this
there.
one, okay?
Yeah, right there.
Because the return to the discount and then the subsequent return to OT was really good.
Yeah, right
just because
there.
we had this fair value gap, or we
Balance.
could call this a BPR balanced price range. It's just two fair value gaps lining up with each other. We could just have this. We tap CE of this BPR almost perfectly, or you could just call this fair value gap.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Yeah, we have a hard time from narrative. What we
Equal
look
high.
for just retracement. I could already see on the 5-minute we had a decent retracement, but this was during. Oh yeah, this is during the PM session, so this would have been good. Our breaker was right here. I mean, we did retrace into it, but if I was seeing this on the higher time frame, conditions would have been way too bad for me to trade. And this fair value gap didn't really hold as much as I wanted to. I want to see clean price delivery if I'm taking trades. What else can we talk about? I don't think we have much else to go over. Bias. I always do my bias in the morning. Not a bad day today. I mean, some of us banked, and I just want to go over you guys. I want you guys to realize, focus on your monthly returns instead of your daily, because at the end of the month, imagine how much I make at the end of a month after a good month of me hitting wins like this and smaller losses like $200, $400 losses on my account. Just imagine how much you're gonna be at the end of the month. It's ridiculous. So focus on your monthly returns. Take your losses. Don't freak out. Don't stress out. And I think that's the best advice I can give you guys, because when you see how much you make at the end of the month, that is where you feel like a true trader. Otherwise, trying to make like quick money, fast money in one day, that will kill. You'll blow your account. So just straight up focus on your returns at the end of the month, and be happy with that because you're gonna be making like 10K a month if you do good. It's not too hard to, especially with these 100 accounts. So focus on that as your long-term goal. Okay.
Bet.
We all have it done.
W recap. W
W
recap.
recap. Nice job, guys. You have any questions? We hit 10 minutes exactly.
I couldn't
This really-
stay to New York, bro, cause I had to go work with my brother.
Mhm.
So I had to take mine in London session, bro.
It's okay. You still.
But it
did
was
good.
where I would if New York was where London was, I would have taken it on New York. If that makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Like, cause
Yeah.
I thought my entry, like I played it out in my head exactly like the night before,
Mhm.
and I thought we were gonna be in New York. I thought we were gonna make like a nice AMD or something, and we were gonna be in New York where I took the trade.
Mhm.
But we're in London, bro.
Is this recap getting posted?
Yeah, it's gonna get posted. If you want to go over it, you're free to.
Alright, bet. Thanks. Cause I missed the whole thing.
Like, bro.
You're throwing.
Do we have no questions? Are we good?
Yeah.
I was
Perfect.
Yeah, I think we're good.
So it was a 5.